In this video, I'm going to show you how to save as PDF in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, you want to have some text here inside your document. And of course, I'm assuming if you're trying to create a PDF, you'll be actually creating a vertical format. Here I have like a horizontal layout, so it doesn't really make sense. However, it's still possible to actually save it as a PDF. And the way you do it is the following. You want to go to the File tab top left and make sure if you just want to, for example, export and save selected, you can just basically click on that part. So for example, this part over here, click on File top left, go to the bottom where it says Export and hover over that, and then here you can go ahead and click on Export. When you do that, one of the options here on the left is going to be PDF, so this red one, click on that, and then here you can select which one you want. I'm just going to do for print over here, and then as you can see, this is your preview here in the middle of your screen. And you can swap it either from the whole document, which will basically look the exact same as your canvas over here behind it, or you could just do selection area or selection only, which will basically only export and save as a PDF of that specific area. Okay, so that's up to you, depending on what you did. If you want the borders or not, that's going to help you determine whatever you want to do. I'm going to just do whole document over here. It's going to basically show you everything here, the estimated file size. You'll be able to rasterize as well. You'll be able to use the document resolution, etc. So there's a bunch of different settings. Go through these in case you're interested, and you can go ahead and change different things according to your own preference. After that, go ahead and just click on export over here. Select where you want it to be exported. So for example, I want it in my downloads folder, and I'm just going to name it PDF test over here, and I'm going to click on save. And this is basically going to export and save as a PDF. And if I really quickly go to my folder over here, to my downloads folder, and I'm going to open this in a separate tab here, let me show you. There we go. This has now been basically saved as a PDF. So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.